the record-breaking AMD EPYC, the first server CPU with a dedicated security processor. Because it isn't change you should be afraid of, but not changing.
Thank you. It's a very good and valid question. I think the message what I would like to give it to the IT managers for the next generation is that be a technical first thing, but more than technical, you have to be a business guy. Because today what happens, most of the technical guy only talks about the technology or any sort of technical problems, but they never try to relate it back to the business. I think that's the one gap what I foresee. So I would say rather than having a IT manager, it should be IT business manager. And you should talk only on the language of business, and probably the solutions when you propose it to the business, or the technologies when you propose it to the business. One key aspect, what you think out of that, how the technology will bring the revenue to the business or the organizations. I think that's the one key aspect which is missing in the current generation of the CIOs or the CIOs who are aspiring CIOs or the IT managers. I think unless you start looking yourself as an entrepreneur, unless you start looking yourself as a CEO of the company, you will never be able to become a successful CIO. Because CIO is not only stand for Chief Information Officer, it's also meant Chief Investment Officer. So you are investing something. So definitely you need to look upon what you are going to invest and what's the ROI it's going to bring into the company. So whenever you propose, whenever you plan any sort of new implementation of technology, probably you will have to put up the numbers around it. Say X number of investment will bring in X plus Y revenue to the organization within this period of time. I think if you are able to convince that to the management or to the board or to the business, definitely you will be able to get all those investment what you require to implement those technologies. So I keep hearing from a lot of my peer colleagues that I don't get budget, my organization doesn't invest. I think it's all the failures of the technology guy to make a business case study to be presentable in front of management, which will generate the business from the technology what you are planning to invest. So I think that's the one thing which I would say. So that's a bigger gap. So CIO should be CIBO, Chief Information and Business Officer. CTO should be Chief Technology and Business Officer. So that's I think the designation should also be changed accordingly to them, so that they wear both the hats, technology and the business, and then align with the business to work accordingly.